The HogOn welding skid blueprints are now available through PayPal and Cash App, only $100. The money donated, and for those who purchase this welding skid blueprints, the money will go towards me getting the HogOn Welding School established and up and going in OKC. So I appreciate those who shop with me in advance, and I thank you. This is for the field welders. This is for the independent welders, the welding crews who have trucks that want to utilize their truck space and be able to kill a few birds with one stone. If you already got the equipment, you can build this yourself. Or you can buy the skid from me personally for $500, or it's in store for $600. I appreciate all those who are networking with us. Get your hog on. Black Phoenix.